Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me. And if you're not new here, thanks for coming back to watch more of my videos. I'm going to be showing you how to DIY your very own face paint. There's a few simple ways that we can do this, and I guarantee you already have the products laying around at home, so this should be a very easy DIY. All you're going to need is foundation, eyeshadow, and or a primer. So I'm going to show you two different ways that we can mix eyeshadow into either the foundation or the primer, and we're going to get a nice liquid to do our face paint. So the first thing, I'm going to start off with the primer here, and I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand, nothing fancy, and I'll go in with this pink shade here. So all I'm going to do is scrape it off and then pick some up and put it into the primer. I'm just going to drop it into the primer here, and I'm just going to start to mix. Here's how this is looking. So as you can see, it goes on really nicely. It's gonna start to dry down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix another color, and I'll show you how that works. I really have no idea what I'm drawing here. I'm just kind of doing something abstract and a little bit random. Okay, next I'm gonna show you with the foundation. So I have the foundation here again. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna take some eyeshadow and I'll pop it into the foundation. So same thing, I'm just gonna scrape off some of the purple, and then I'm gonna tap it into the foundation. One more color here, which was a goldish yellow. I'm gonna add that in, and that'll be it. So it's super easy. As long as you have eyeshadow, really, you can mix it with anything. Okay, so that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of how you can DIY some face paint. Super, super easy. If you are planning to mix eyeshadow and moisturizer, just be aware it will stain. I did see some other videos on YouTube that it combined the two together, but it didn't show afterwards. This was the moisturizer and the eyeshadow, and this was like 2 hours ago, and this is still super, super stained on my hands. So just be aware that wouldn't be the best idea to try those two together. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little look here. If you guys did enjoy this video and you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget you can like the video, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.